proceed with the SEO, I just talked of Google Ad on the first video. For those of you who did not watch the first video concerning Google Ad, you can still go back to my YouTube channel on the link below. You can go to my YouTube channel and watch it. Now, SEO. What is SEO? People just talk of, I want you to do me SEO, I want you to do me SEO, and they pay big amount of money for SEO. Yes, SEO is expensive, but then what is SEO? It is not just because your friend said a developer or a marketer did SEO for my website and it is working well that you to just say you want an SEO worked or run on your website. You need to know what it is first of all. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Search engine optimization. What does that really mean? Simply, I am optimizing my website or my platform online to be easily found on some search engines that I choose to show my business on. For example, I optimize my website to be shown on Google. I optimize my website to be shown on Bing search engine. I optimize my website to be shown on Yahoo search engine platforms. And search engine optimization is really complicated, different from Google Ads. First of all, when we talk of search, for you to do research engine on the platforms, optimization simply means your website may be good, but not optimal or not up to the task for these platforms to demonstrate them. I will take a simple example on my own website. Let me just go to google.com, for example. My network is a bit slow. Now, the name of my website is Graphics Me, and you can see here it has been searched for already. If I click on Graphics Me, you see what appears. Google shows me not only the name of my website, but it also asks if I wanted to look for Graphics Me. That is simply because there is another person with this name that has optimized his website to be shown on Google. You will see here Graphics Me Easy Learning, which if I click on, let me just open it on a new tab. If I click on, it will open my website. Same thing down here. Graphics Me Online Sales and Delivery of Products in Cameroon is still my website. Graphics Me, that was the old link of my website which is no longer available. I even have to remove it. I have to clean up this too from my search engine optimization panel. Graphics Me, my Facebook links, and even on Behance, my Behance link, that is almost everywhere I am being found. If you come down here, you also see my videos, Graphics Me videos. That is, Google has interlinked everything that concerns me. Everything. These are all my videos on Facebook, YouTube. If you click on view all, you go there and see them. This is my Instagram account, still YouTube, still on Fiverr, Twitter, and so on and so forth. Now, another thing again, if I come to image, for example, notice something here. All of these images are from all of my platforms, be it Facebook, Google, Instagram, YouTube, whatever. You will see here, these are the links even showing under Graphics Me, Facebook, Graphics Me, Facebook. So each and every one of these images are related to my platforms. So then, from this elaboration now, this is my website. Well, it's still under construction. I'm really modifying it, even though I've run my SEO already. It's just that I'm doing some changes on the website. Now, it lands onto the section of, let me go to my WordPress dashboard, of search engine optimization. This is something that is, I call it as a developer, a one-time payment for. As a client, you can pay for it per year, or you can pay for it twice a year, depending on how far you'll be updating your website. Now, search engine optimization deals with the platform you want your website to be shown on, and it is one of the best and constant way of generating traffic into your website constantly. People go to the internet for three main reasons. One, to do research. Two, to compare a product. Three, to find out about the price of a particular product. So if your digital marketer or your developer can understand these three basic principles and know how to build your SEO based on these three rules, my brother or my sister, you will never be missing out there. You will always be ranked to the top. That is why I will counsel you that before you run Google Ad, ensure that your website has been ranked well on Google. If you've noticed on those who have been following my status on WhatsApp, I post there recently of when you pay for your Google Ad, I run you SEO free. That is because the two of them go together. The two of them go together. I won't fool you to run your Google Ad without ranking your website. The two of them go together. So tell all of your developers out there or your marketers, it might not be me, but another marketer running your SEO or your Google Ad for you, that it has to start first with SEO. I won't really explain much on SEO in this video since I just wanted to differentiate the two of them in a brief manner. But then if you really want to understand more about SEO, you can inbox me. You can inbox me or you comment on this video. Then I can create or I will create a video on SEO creation. But believe me, SEO is something that is not simple to come by. It is something that must be done by a developer, by a marketer who knows web development, same time by a developer even, I may say so. So that was just a brief explanation on search engine optimization. If there is anything you don't understand, like I said, inbox me or PV me privately. I am a web developer and a digital marketer. I run SEO, Google Ads, and I optimize websites, of course. I also speed up websites for websites that are slow. I can make your website to be fast. I just showed you my own website, how it is being ranked on Google. I can show you for another client that I did also. Alpha Z Business. You can see that is his own website too. That I am just, even though I am 80% done, okay, his own is even far more completed than my own. You can see on this section you have every details about his website, both in English and in French. Then here you have his location, his address, and everything. Down his images, everywhere he's found on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. If I go to images, you see all the images that are from his website. I believe you click on these images one to one, you fall on the website. Let's say I just click on this, for example. My network is slow. Network is slow. Forgive, my network is slow. And boom, we are inside this website. That is it. His website has been ranked well. With this kind of a website, if I run Google Ad on it will go smoothly. And I create a niche, and he has all his clients, and he sells well, and I'm satisfied too. That is how it is being done. And just to make mention of this website was built by me. Everything you see here on this platform was done by me. So if you are interested in your own website, e-commerce websites, I'm good in that. Thank you.